Well, hello there, cuties. Who's ready to see an incredible room?
I do.
Mommy! So, a couple of things that I noticed already that I'm like loving. So when I first walked in, I was like, man, it feels a little dark. But I have found that there are lots of light switches that control lots of different lights. And so all of that has backlighting, which is so pretty. And so these ones control the top up there. And then over by the bed, those two control the two like puck lights above each bed. So that brings a ton of lighting in once I found those. Love the design. Love the sleek is our style, and so love the room vibe. It's a hot topic, but we love it. We're so excited. This is a pull down. I'll have Ryan come demonstrate that for you. But let's go out to what we're all here for.
Oh, look at this. Mom, we can see Magic Kingdom here.
We can see Magic Kingdom.
Yeah. Do you see that castle?
I do see that castle.
It means we can see it right next to the...
Gavin, you want to come see the castle?
We can see it during here, and we're right next to it.
We are.
It's like,
Oh my goodness, look at that. And all the boats. You can see Space Mountain.
yes. Oh, look at these two big boats.
Those are some big boats over there.
Monorail.
Yep, we can see the monorail. We can also see the look right there, Gavin.
Monorail.
Yeah. Okay, should we go back inside for a
Yeah.
little bit? Keep exploring the room. Okay.
A table.
So one of the other things that I love lighting wise is that this lamp, so cool when it's lit up. Has Munisonberg. Another really fun thing is in this drawer.
I can see our room.
Well, that's a really cool detail. Look at that. Can't really see it. Oh, there we go. Let me get it closer. New math. Those who know, you know.
Mr. Incredible's to-do list.
Yep.
Go bowling with Lucius. Love that.
It's a really cool detail.
Love that. So cute. I love the little touches that are here, like the masks on the back of the wall. Like, I just feel like they're very well done. They're not like throw it in your face, but
Do you see the light over here?
that is such a cool. That's a lamp, right?
Yeah, the lamp right here.
That's so cool.
So that's the Omnidroid from the first Incredibles. Looks just like it.
Syndrome.
Well, that's the villain.
That's the
yeah,
villain.
that's the villain.
That's his.
But yeah, the machine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
super cool.
But
Kids already making themselves at home.
yes.
That was weird.
One of my favorite touches about a deluxe resort is that they just like put on like that creme de la creme and they personalize it. And so we're celebrating our son's birthday while we're here. And so just the fact that they do that for deluxe resorts, I just love that. I just feel like I call it the Disney difference. It's one of my favorite things. They just go over the top to make you feel so special. And that's one of the reasons why we love coming to Disney. So how cool is that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does that make you feel good?
Yes.
Yeah. It does. So fun.
Who you sleeping on there? Who you laying on?
Frozen.
Oh, that's cool.
We are having a debate of who gets to sleep with what pillow in our house. Everyone wants the Frozone one because, of course, he's so cool.
Yeah.
So
True.
we'll have to see how we're gonna figure that debate out. But yeah, let's go check out the bathroom. Actually, no.
Oh.
Let's check out. Okay, so here's.
Hold on a second. For you dads, thermostat. You can't control that.
In control of it.
Yes.
Okay, so coffee station. So here is the beverage cooler. Average size to all the other ones. Just a friendly reminder, beverage cooler, not refrigerator, so don't put dairy in it. Just more of things like leftovers, things that you need to keep cool, not something that has to stay below 32 degrees.
Yeah.
Or,
So your medicine, stuff like that, you might have to find something different.
yes, I believe you can ask the front desk for that if you need something that is cooler. So, but all of your teas and coffees, they got different types of blends here. They have the Joffrey's special blend here. Love that. Love the mugs on the back. DevTech. Love that. But so cute. So we ordered groceries, and so this is where we store all of our groceries and our water that we order. So I love this storage, and then full length mirror. And if you come in here, want to come in here, Ryan, there's just a lot. There's a lot of storage here. So I'm really impressed by the way that Disney's starting to think of storage and how we can turn functional empty spaces into functional spaces. And so lots of drawers here, storage under the bed, huge game changer. We always put our suitcases under there to save some room. You gotta save, and then you have some more storage up here. Just awesome. And then one of my favorite parts is this.
Oh, so cool. You got all the super suits in the back.
All the super suits. Love it. Even more storage.
Wow.
As a person, I don't know how you guys are, but when our family comes to a resort, we unpack all of our stuff. We have it organized by day, categorized by day, in pouches, and so we take all of our stuff out of our suitcases. So I love the fact that there are lots of storage options. We utilize those, and so let me know in the comments if that's something you do. Do you unpack your suitcases when you come, or do you just like live out of the suitcases on your vacation? I'm curious to see what you guys have to say. But also there's some cute little masks back here way in the top, but just super cute touches. Again, I feel like subtle touches, but so cute. Love them.
Yeah, definitely subtle. I mean, we obviously love The Incredibles. It's one of our favorite movies. But they are kind of, again, subtle touches. Yeah. So if that's not your thing, but you still want to stay the contemporary, it still is. You'll still be able to kind of tuck it away.
It's not hitting you in the face, Incredibles. So super cool. Into the bathroom, great size bathroom. I'm really impressed by the size. One of my favorite features is the monorail on the mirror, and the mirror's backlit, so it just gives it that like really contemporary vibe, and I love that. Looks like a really big bathtub, like really big bathtub. I feel like we should have Ryan get in there. But
I'm about 6 foot tall, 190 pounds, and I easily fit. I mean, I am full on lying down.
it's a big bathtub, yeah. Big bathtub.
This is not your standard tub, put it that way.
So come with your standard body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Just the normals, and then you have all of your other Disney H2O products there. So you get mouthwash, the little kit, the shower cap, and some lotion. And then your mirror that lights up, front and back. And then
Of course, the commode, the toilet.
the commode.
And the cool artwork. I mean, very...
Yeah, Jack.
Jack. Art.
In all of his forms. I love it. I love it.
Polymorphic. You didn't know. That's the word of the day. Polymorphic.
But yeah, some great touches. Oh yeah, we'll have Ryan pull this down so you can see what that looks like. Love that there's a little table. So cute with little masks on there.
I'm gonna embarrass myself doing this. Oh,
There you go.
there
There you go. Gavin, you want to go lay on the bed?
Lay on that, buddy. Does it fit
Yeah.
you?
Ooh,
Ooh, okay.
looking good.
So the
Does it
8-year-old.
feel comfy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's 8-year-old approved.
8-year-old approved.
Looks a little bit small for a full-grown adult, but For kiddos, perfect.
Perfect, yeah. I know that the Incredibles, the re-theme of the Incredibles is, like I said before, like a hot topic, but as a boy mom, I appreciate this. My kids are excited. We're excited. I think it's a great room. It feels very clean.
Yeah.
Cannot wait to see those fireworks tonight.
Well, guys, that wraps up this room tour here at the Contemporary Resort.
We'll have a full room tour and more details on this room up on our channel. We're also going to do a score the best room at Disney's Contemporary Resort, so you know exactly what room request you need to make for your family. So be sure to check those out.
But for now, friends, thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye guys.